Hello friend, welcome back. If you are new to this channel Info World, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Today we are going to learn how to get a subscriber for your channel. It's very easy method and without doing any hard work. So there is one website called Link Collider. Here you need to register first and then you can add your channel link in this website. Okay, and the link of this website is already given in the description of this video, so you can go and check there and click on that link and you can visit the website directly. You can see this is the home page of this website. Now you can see likes, shares, subscriber, follower, tweets, pins, blog post, backlinks, web traffic, likes, share and subscriber. So now we'll go and register to this website. Okay, now you can scroll down and you can see all the details of this website is already given. Scroll down, see it is turnover $30,000, 70% profit in this website. Okay, now scroll down and see more. Scroll down, see this is live user. It is approx, I think, more than lakhs, and submitted website is also more than lakhs. Submitted pages and channel, you can see the main aim of the user is to just collect tokens, and once the token is collected your subscriber will increase automatically throughout the world. Okay, and the tokens which you are collecting, that token will be used to run ad of your channel and you will be getting subscriber automatically, so you don't have to do anything. Okay, now you can see this is the mobile view. If you want you can go for desktop view, and to go to desktop view you have to click on the three dots on top right corner. You can see on the top right three dot, you can click on it. Okay, once you click on it and then click on desktop site, now you can see this is the desktop view of that website. To register it, first you need to scroll down and you can see it's get started. Click on get started. Once you click on get started, one new page will open, and this is the page where you can register by Google, Facebook, or you can enter name, email, password, confirm password, select terms and condition, then click on the box I am not robot, then click on register. Okay, once you click on register, one account verification email has been sent. Just go to your email and you can see Link Collider. Click on it, and once it's open click on the link to verify your account. Okay, and once your account is verified, now you are ready to use this account. So to use this account, just go to login. As you can see login, click on it, one new page will open for login. As you can see, this is the login page. You can enter email and password which you have already uh, submitted during registration, and click on login. Once you click on login, one new tab will open, and that tab is your home page. See, this is the dashboard of your account. Here you can enter your channel link and you can manage everything. You can see all the details are given here. Now you can see it's showing 0 tokens because this is new account. So once we start collecting tokens, it will show here. Now I will show you how you can add your channel links and start collecting tokens, and the same tokens will be used for your channel, and you will be getting subscriber completely free. And the link of this website is already there in the description. You can go directly there, click on it, and you can visit, register, and start getting subscriber. Okay, so let's go and start adding channel link. You can see submit website, click on it, then click on YouTube channel. Once you click on it, one submission page will open. You can see this is the page where you have to add your channel link. Okay, so to add this, just go to YouTube. As you can see, your profile is on top right corner. Click on it. Once you click on it, then click on your channel. Now you can see this is the home page of your YouTube channel. So go to about. Now you can see this is the link. You have to copy it and paste it on that page. Now go to video and click on three dot. You can see for every video there is three dot. Click on it. Go to share. Click on share. Click on copy link and paste it here in YouTube video URL. Then write short description about your channel. Then allowed tokens, number of tokens you want to use to advertise or run ad for your uh, channel. You can allot any numbers, it's depend upon you. Then you can click on I am not robot, then click on submit button. Once you click on submit, now you are ready to run your channel ad. Now go back to account dashboard and click on collect tokens. As you can see, you can collect token by like, YouTube, subscribe. All these are high tokens. You can see you will get maybe 30, 40, 50 tokens at a time, and for that you have to do little effort. And if you don't want to do anything, then scroll down and click on auto surf. Auto surf, it will surf ad automatically, and it has timer set of 30 seconds. Once the timer stop, you will be rewarded maybe 10 or 20 tokens. Now you can see the timer is already started. See 26, 25, Once the timer stop, one new window will open and again timer will start, and again you will be rewarded with the same tokens. It might be good, and like that it keep serving ad and you will keep getting tokens. Now you can see it is already there. If you want you can go and check. See again, when this countdown will reaches to 0, you will be rewarded with 10 plus tokens, and same tokens will be used automatically to get subscribers to your channel. You have to do this much only, and you don't have to do any extra things. Okay, simply you just have to click on auto surf and leave it, and keep your phone or laptop aside, and you will see after some time that you keep getting or increasing your channel subscriber rapidly. So you need to do same thing every day, and this is free and limited. And if you want more tokens, means you will have to go for paid. Okay, and if you want to see your channel which you have added, then just go to my website and click on it. Now you can see this is my channel which I already have added, info world. See, this is my channel. You can see, if you want to be shared everywhere, then you need to click on the boxes, and if you want only YouTube subscriber, then click on only YouTube subscriber. Now you can see there is your option of edit setting. If you go there, you can edit, pause or run, or even you can remove. Okay, so you have all the options available. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for